Start today. Never use manual cutting again. Now everyone is using an automatic cutting machine that does not pick fabrics. Just 10 minutes that cut a bed of fabric. An employee can complete the operation. Saves cutters. Cutting height after absorption 15 millimeters. If you want to know more practical scenarios, please follow me. The cost of making molds for manual punches is high. If producing small batch orders, the mold cannot be reused. Find a fixed place to store it. Special management. When stamping fabrics, abrasives need to be typeset in sequence, according to the experience value of the master. The materials used for stamping fabrics are not easy to control. There are many remaining cloth heads, large spacing of pieces. As the stamping force gradually decreases, there are many cases where the pieces are inconsistent up and down. The automatic cutting machine only needs the software for optimal typesetting. According to the order requirements, operator experience is not limited. Zero-pitch cutting can be achieved. Use the whole box to evacuate and absorb the fabric. Achieve the same effect as the top and bottom of the pieces. Did you learn it?